Hi everyone, in this short tutorial we will see how to create simple graphs in the style of VOX. We will do this in 3 easy steps. I keep posting breakdowns like this every week, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. We'll start with a new composition. I'm just going to call it as graph. Everything else can remain the same, just press on OK. Firstly, I'm going to drag the background to our timeline. Now let's start creating the dotted lines. Simply select our pen tool, make a point over here, holding shift, make another point on the bottom, somewhere over here. Keep the fill as none and keep the stroke at around 3. Let's change the color to white as well. Perfect. Let's open this. Open the content in the shape, in the stroke, scroll down, and in the dashes we have to press on this plus. This will give us the dotted line. Scroll up. Now I want to turn this single line into 11 lines. But instead of doing it one by one, we can easily do that by adding a repeater. Go over here and add the repeater. See, already we have got 3 lines. Let's open our repeater. From over here, let's make this as 11. See, this will give us the 11 lines. Let's open the transform properties. From over here, in the x-axis, you can increase the space between them. This much looks great. Let's come up. Going to press T. Let's reduce the opacity to around 50. Perfect. Now let's add the horizontal lines. Before that, I'm just going to name this as vertical. Keep the first point over here and last point on this side. Just ensure that you are holding on shift while adding that point. Let's place this properly. Perfect. Let's call this horizontal. Let's open this again. Exact same thing. Go to stroke, scroll down in the dashes, just press on plus. If you want to add more space between them, you can just increase or decrease the number of dashes. Okay, this looks good. I'm going to again go up in the add the repeater, scroll down. Let's keep the copies as 5. Right now you don't really see the 5 copies because they are on the right side of this main line. We can easily change that by playing around in the position property. So firstly, let's make it and let's keep it like this. And on the x-axis, let's keep it perfect. This way we have got the background for our graph. Let's go up, again press on T and make this as 50%. Now if you see the VOX graph, these lines are animated. You can do that by just adding the trim path. Let's open this. Again going to just add the trim path. Go to 1 second, add a keyframe in end. Going back, just make this as 0. Perfect. Select both of them and press F9. We'll repeat the same thing for the vertical lines. Open this up. Over here, add the trim path. Open this. Go to 1 second. Add a keyframe. Going back, make the start property as 100. Select both of them and press F9. That way, if I play this now, see we have got a beautiful animated background. Let's select both of them now. Press U to close it. I'm quickly going to add the text as well. Let's keep it like this. Looks good. On this axis as well, I'm just going to keep it over here. I'm going to add 8, below that 6, 4, 2 and 0. Let's reduce the size between them and also reduce the size. Perfect. Let's place them over here and just color them as white. Now let's complete our graph by just adding 2 lines. For that, again we are going to select our pen tool. To add the line, you just have to make some points like this. Perfect. Over here, let's change the color. We'll keep it as yellow. Let's increase the size to 5. Perfect. Let's make the other line as well. Perfect. Simply go over here. I'm just going to keep it as red. Press on OK. Now exactly similar to how we added a trim path for this background, we will also add the same for this graph. Open this, add trim path. Again open the trim path. At this point it will start. So let's make this as 0. Add a keyframe. Go to 3 seconds and make this as 100%. We will copy the exact same for the other graph as well. Select both of them, press F9. This will add a easy effect. Let's open this, add trim path, go to 1 second, add a keyframe in end, make this as 0, go to 3 seconds and again make this as 100%. If you don't want both the lines to come simultaneously, you can select this layer and shift it little ahead, maybe something like this. That way if I play this now, see, we get both the lines separately. Perfect. Go to the text as well. You can add a keyframe in opacity, add it over here, make this 0. At 1 second, make this as 100. Same thing with this. Just copy this, coming over here, paste it. So now if I play this, see, we have got a beautiful graph animation in the style of VOX. Now any text that you want to add, you can add on top of it and just animate it. Oh, by the way, if you want to learn After Effects, we have just launched our brand new course, the 14-day After Effects Mastery Challenge.